Hello everyone, welcome back to Scenery on the Cheap. And today, while I'm waiting for my proxxon table to arrive, I'm just going to show you how to make quick and easy trees out of just cheap garden wire and a few other bits. So obviously what you're going to need for the basic structure is your garden wire, a mini just for reference and size, however you want it. This is the old not the old, but this is a Empire figure that I've modified. As you can see, he's holding the pull. How cool is that? Anyway, so yeah, ruler, some wire clippers. Now be very careful when using any kind of sharp tools, as you can easily hurt yourself. Okay, so let's say the average size of a mini is like 3.5, 4 centimeters. So you've got to figure out what size you want your tree to be, and also leave space for the trunk and any foliage you want. So let's say make mine about 2 for the trunk, so it's up to 6. So we'll be cutting the wire at 12 centimeters, okay? I'll do a few of those, and then I'll come back once it's done. Okay, we're back. I've done 9 at 12 centimeters each, and what we're going to do is 2 of them. Tell you what, let's make it 3 so it's a bit more secure. Put to one side. The rest of them you kind of bundle up, and all you're going to do is with this one, take approximately 1 centimeter from the bottom, so you've got space for your trunk to be spread out. All you're going to do is just kind of twist it round like that. And I'm just doing this so it's quick, so it might look a bit messy. And just make sure bits that are sticking up are not. So either push them down like so, just so you're not going to get jabbed in the fingers. Okay, then you're going to do the same with the other 2, one in the middle and one just not right at the top, but maybe a bit lower down than the bottom one, just so you can spread out the leaves. And I'll come back once that's done. Okay, now once you've got your basic tree structure, just stand out the trunk and just make sure it stands reasonably okay. For scale, how does that look? Yeah, that looks okay. Then what you can use is this plasticast stuff, and all you do is just cut it into strips and soak it in water. Obviously you can also use ready mix polyfiller, I guess, or polyfiller. Then just get it there, and all you're going to do is just wrap it around your basic tree structure, and as you'll see when it's wet, it will actually mould to the wire. Let's do one around the bottom perhaps. So two together, it is. And when it's like this, it's quite easy to mould into the shape you want, so don't be worried if it looks kind of messed up and weird. But there, as you can see, it will mould into whatever shape you put it at. Now, then you might want to wait for this to dry before you do this next stage, but just for demonstration purposes, all you have to do, stretch these out, like so. Make them relatively even so it's kind of balanced. You don't want it too heavy on one side, otherwise it'll topple over. The same goes for the trunk pieces. But yeah, as you can see, this is the basic structure. There's the side, size, sorry. Now, for the foliage, what you can use is either this soft fabric stuff you can get in craft shops. I think I got this in like a pack of 5 of this soft brown stuff for like 99 pence. Or if you want something a little bit more sturdier, just card. Obviously any card will do, but ideally thin stuff. As you can see, it's fancy print on it. So yeah, what I'm going to do just for demonstration purposes is just quickly cut a few leaves up and show you what it'll look like on there. 1 second. Okay, so I've decided to cut out 6 of these brown fabric leaves, and all I've done is just cut them in like a teardrop kind of shape and just cut little triangles in. Then this would obviously be quicker with a hot glue gun, but if you don't have a hot glue gun, you can always just use PVA glue. I mean, it's not as quick to bond, obviously, but it'll do the job. It just might not stick to the wire as well. So what I'm going to do, just quickly, and that's stuck. There we go. Okay. Again, I don't particularly recommend using PVA. I'm just showing you for... Come on. There we go. All you can do, obviously, is just glue it along there. Yeah, can't imagine it'll stick too well. Yeah. So what you do, glue down the middle, then just apply it to the branches. And once you've done that, you've got yourself a tree. Okay guys, I'll just quickly crack on with this off camera and show you the finished product. Won't be long. Okay, I've actually gone and got my glue gun now. Right, so just hot glue along the middle, like so. Then oops, dried too quickly. Okay, we'll try it this way. Okay, along there like that. Yeah, it's drying really quickly. Okay, let's try again. Glue down the middle. Don't need lots of it. Let's get your glue. Don't need tons. Oops. There. Just plonk it on like that. I like to keep things in balance, so what I'm going to do, just do the other side. Like so. Now let's do these angled ones. That. Might as well do them all. Hopefully I've got enough glue in this hot glue. I just really hate the bits of stringy stuff that comes off. Now for this side. Didn't notice that join up there. Okay, last one. Okay, there we go. Now, obviously this was just a rush job, and it's, you know, not super brilliant, if that is indeed a sentence, but as you can see, the scale seems fine. Now, from underneath, it may look a bit ugly, so you might want to add more of these underneath. And obviously you're going to paint it. I think I'm going to undercoat this black once it's all dried and see how it turns out then. Anyway guys, I hope you like that. Don't forget to leave a like, and if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe. Got lots more of these planned. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now, guys.